Members of the South Australian House of Assembly, 1956–1959. This is a list of members of the South Australian House of Assembly from 1956–1959, as elected at the 1956 state election. 1. The LCL member for Wallaroo, Leslie Heath, died on 16 July 1957. Labour candidate Lloyd Hughes won the resulting by-election on 3 August 1957. 2. The independent member for Mount Gambier, John Fletcher, died on 5 June 1958. Labour candidate Ron Ralston won the resulting by-election on 12 July 1958. 3. The Labour member for Port Pirie, Charles Davis, died on 27 January 1959. No by-election was held due to the imminent 1959 state election.